Sorry about the terrible camera quality. Trying to fix that. Come on, there we go. I need a new phone. Come on. Skies of southern Utah getting lit up tonight. Woo! Severe thunderstorm warning, obviously. Flash flood warning. Nice. Probably for the next couple minutes gonna go inside so we don't get struck by lightning. And shocked on the job site. Don't want to get zapped by that. Nice. Cool to watch though. Very entertaining indeed. See if we get a couple more good ones here. Nice. Oh, I spoke perfect timing. Again, sorry about the phone zooming in and out. I need a new one. Nice. Beautiful weather out tonight. Feels great, but it's going to start dumping soon. Sunset off to the west, kind of through the trees a little bit. Storm moving east. Got mountains to the east. Can't really see them because the phone's not great quality. Storm is moving southwest, gonna flow right over the top of us. Doing this bare feet, this rock's kind of hurt. Nice. Made it short already, but I thought, you know, maybe somebody would like an actual video of it, so I'm gonna go for a couple more minutes here and call her good.
Here you go.
Thank you. My amazing girlfriend over here just brought me my shoes, so now my feet won't hurt on rocks. Appreciate that, hon. Can't find the other one. Ugh. Trying to hold the phone steady while doing this. Ugh. Got it. And sorry about the phone going in and out. I know I need a new one. One last good strike and we'll call her good. Come on, phone. One more good one and we'll get her. Call her good. Well, this is Rare Cobra. I'm sorry, it's the electrical Cobra with Mother Nature's electricity.